In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate $1,500 to $2,000 in 2019 doing simple app installs and surveys. Now, I know that app installs and surveys isn't a grandiose way to make money, but in this strategy, I'm going to show you how one Redditor was able to generate $1,500 to $2,000 and more every single month in the year 2018, and how you can do it in 2019. So this is a subreddit, Beer Money, and it's all about how you can make some small money doing odds and end things on the internet, and that's going to get you enough for beer money. And it's going to get you enough to get you a six-pack of beer every once in a while, take your family out to dinner. This subreddit has 293,000 Redditors that follow this, and one particular Redditor, and there's many of these guys that list this, but in this particular case, this Redditor listed all of his programs that he made money from in 2018, and he also listed it by month. So as you can see here, he has a pretty extensive list of different programs that he made money from in 2018. And as you can see here, he made $1,500, just shy of $1,500 in December. And this was a down month for him. In November he made about almost $2,000. In August here he made almost $2,200 simply by doing app installs and surveys. Now again, it's not very sexy here, but you see here he's nickel and diming it, and that's the strategy here. He's making $35 from Survey Savvy, $30 from Earn Honey. He made $300 from Swag Bucks. He's not using these programs every single month either. He has an extensive list, and as you can see here in December, he doesn't use almost 2/3 of his list of apps and surveys to generate that $1,500 that he made in December. So as you can see, in November, October, September, he's doing it. He's making the money by doing it. Now this is a daily grind. This guy is grinding it out every single day, but he's generating that income online. He doesn't have to go to a traditional job. He doesn't have to clock a number or whatever and get paid traditionally. He's making this all from home. So how can you do this? Well, I have a list here of my personal 30 apps or websites that I generate an income from. And that's all that this guy is doing here. He just has a nice list that he's making money from, right? Well, I choose to do it a little bit differently. I do it through referrals, right? So as you can see here, he's only generating a small amount of this income from referrals, right? He's only making $100 in December from referral earnings. So what he does is he refers somebody to a program and he gets a percentage of it, right? So take Earning Station right here. He made $75 from Earning Station. Not a whole lot for the whole entire month of December, right? And through Earning Station and Survey Savvy and a bunch of these sites, you can get paid $2 to $5 to refer somebody, or you can get a percentage of what they've actually made. So take Earning Station, right? You could generate $10 to $20 through or 10 to 20% through the referral program, and that's around $7.50 to $15 a month just by referring one person to this particular program. So what I do is I started a Facebook group, and in this Facebook group, I've started about 2 days ago, and I already have over 100 members in here, and I have a bunch of different Facebook groups like this, right? And all I do is I go to other groups, and I have a list here about 30 to 40 different Facebook groups that I make a post in. And it's a real simple post, and here's an example of one. In this group, Apps That Make You Money, I posted, I will be releasing my personal list of over 30 plus apps that can make you $1,000 a month. Type yes if you want it. Now I made this post about 2 days ago, and it's already generated 114 comments. And when they comment that they want the list, all I do is I type go here to get it, and I have my personal Facebook group and a link shortener. I have it in a bit.ly. When they click here, they go to my group and they join, right? Here's another example. In this example, I'm signing up for free referrals, US only. So I want to generate people from the US and developed countries because that's where the app installs and the survey sites want their traffic to come from. They want people to sign up for their programs from the US and other developed countries, right? And the same thing here. I made this post 3 hours ago, and I've already got 18 comments, and they post their referral link, and I tell them, go here for the details. Here's my my link again for my Facebook group. And in my Facebook group, as I build it up, as I come across a new different app or a new survey site, I'm going to refer them to it, and I'm going to capitalize and get the referral bonus and the money there. So if you want to start something like this, go to my website. I'm going to leave the link in the description, and you can start today. Now, it's going to take you about a week. I mean, if you're really on it, you could probably do this all in a day. Sign up for the different sites here and start making your money today. My personal favorite right now is iMoney because I have an iPhone, and I really like to just download the apps and get paid for it. And I've already cashed out twice from iMoney right to my PayPal. A lot of these programs, they pay right to your PayPal. Some of them do gift cards, which again you can just exchange and get money straight to your PayPal. So if you like this kind of content, give this video a like, give it a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.